Funeraria PALLADA-VERGARA.
Sometimes I feel lost, like I don't know where to go, but I'm going to my best to explore on my own. Take time to myself, then everybody coming, they don't understand I got shit running through my dome. I'm alive, but I'm gone, feel like I'm dead to the bone. Here, God, take it, you can really have my soul. I don't want it no more, don't ask me what's wrong. Late night, think about shit, God seen the nose. Why? I just scroll through my phone, looking back at all the pain, yeah, the songs that I wrote, and the shit that I said or the shit that I did just comes to replaying back in my head. I'm alive, but I'm dead now. Honestly, I'm scared and I miss all my angels. I feel like she dead too. Yeah, I miss all my